Alright, lockpickers, hello again. Been a while since I made a video. Been busy and yeah, not really had time to do many videos, but I did get this package about 4 weeks ago, maybe more now, from Adrian Weber, and it's unopened. It's been stuck on my shelf, like I say, for about 4 weeks unopened. A rough idea that there's a padlock in here, but he requested on the message that I try an out the pack pick. I don't think an out the pack pick, I don't generally have a lot of luck with those, but what we got here? Aha! A box with a padlock, Burg Wachter, VULCAN. Groovy. 5-pin tumbler, 2-inch. Marvellous. I've not had one of these before. Looks similar to a couple of other padlocks I've got. Oh, rather small looking keyway in there, and rather kind of awkward looking as well. I don't know if you can see that. Well, that looks a bit small. I'll apply the standard tension wrench then and see. Doesn't give me a lot of room at all. I've got other tension wrenches. A little itty bitty small one here, 2.5mm. Let's see how that fits in the bottom of the keyway, top of the keyway. That fits quite well. That was a fairly good spring on that as well. Yeah, fairly good spring. Picks. Usually apply the reach diamond, but I've not actually got a lot of room with that. Well, I felt something click there into place already. But I might try a straighter one. I'll try the straight diamond because I think that'll just give me a bit more. That's the Storm straight diamond. That might give me a bit more movement inside. Okay, let's see what we can do. Not a lot of room to play with in there. Oh, pin 1 seems to set immediately though. I'll go in front to back and see if I can get any joy out of it. Can't feel a bit of a full set, dropped into a full set there. Be nice to get an out the pack pick. Anything gonna happen? Not yet. Start at the front and go back in, see if things feel like they're setting. 1 and 2 feel fairly solid. Oh! Check it out! Go to the back and it's open. Beautiful. Cheers, Adrian. Did I even say at the beginning who this was from? Yeah, this was from Adrian Weber, by the way, all the way from Deutschland, Germany. I don't know. I'm not very good with geography. But now I can get the key off, and great. great. Well, I'm not going to attempt to get that twice on camera, just in case I fuck the video up, but cheers Adrian, that's good stuff. I don't know if I picked that a bit too quick, you know, but it picks. First time out the pack, great stuff. I don't know if it's meant to be high security. It actually looks a lot like my Yale. Same sort of rivets on the top. The keyways don't look too dissimilar. I wonder if they were sort of, I don't know, rubber around the bottom. Anyway, that's the Burg Wachter VULCAN something. Picked out the packet from Adrian Weber. Thanks very much, bud. See you soon.